Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to save email attachments in your HMailPlus webmail. First, log into your email. Open the email with the attachment you wish to save. Click Save to Drive next to the attachment. From the pop-up window, choose the folder where you wish to save the attachment. To create a new folder, click Create Folder. Once you have selected the folder, click Save. And that's it. To view your attachment, click the Drive icon. Click the folder you had selected to save the attachment, and you'll see the saved attachment. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.